Hello everyone, my name is Shogoto Patro. Today we will discuss about my project SP Chat Detective uncovering the secret of your WhatsApp conversation. My name is Shogoto Patro, so my app name is SP Chat Detective. First, I deploy and design the user-friendly WhatsApp chat analysis using web app using Streamlit that provide both group and individual person analysis. First of all, where to get the data and how to collect the data. In the data, you can also any group or any individual chat go to the three dot icon and click on the more option. There is option available export chat and click on the without media. The chat is downloaded in the text file. The downloaded chat look like this. In the text, it is the format of the text file. So first before we go through the demo part, what we do now, first we go discuss about the code part. So first let's start what the code part. This is the code part. First of all, in my project, first challenging task is WhatsApp chat is present in the text file. The challenge is to convert into pandas data frame. In this case, I usually manually use pandas library and the regular expression. First, I create the data from one column is date, another column is message. For this, I write a regular expression string. There is also online software available who write the regular expression like regex101.com, and another also website is available. They write the regular expression. In the text file, there is a pattern available. You can see that there is a pattern available. Like first date, then time, then username, then message. Then using the split function, I extract the only message. Then create the data frame using the pandas library, which has two columns, one store data frame, another column store username and message. In the case face another problem, username and the message present in the single column. To solve this problem, I first try to find the pattern. In the case after every user, you can see that in the every user name there is a colon after this there is a some string message. We can see that easily. There is a some colon, then after second that there is a some message. We can find this pattern and then break through this code using this pattern and write some code, split the name using the above pattern and store in the splitted list. In the date column, we extract the year, month, name, date, hour, and minute. Deploy all the things in Streamlit. This is the preprocessor stuff. In the analysis part, I show the total message, overall chat, as well as particular user. I also find in this app.py. App.py is the user interface. Here we can there what we done, what we do not. I also find the total what. I also the total watch use overall as well as single user. To extract the total word, I run the for loop. You can also see that in the helper function. Helper is the nothing but the brain of the app.py. Where we write all the function. This is the brain of the app.py. Here we can see that here every function is available like create word cloud, like mode stat, like face stat, every available. Okay, I also found the total word, which overall as well as single user extract the total word and run the for loop in the message column, store every word in a list and find the length of the list and the total word. I also show the total number of media share. And I will also show you the code where the media share code is available. I show the total number of media share. It will mainly export the chat without media. If the share is a media file, it's shown the media committed. I also show the total links are in the have the URL text library. I also show the most busy user in this group chat. show the bar graph as well as the percentage of the message using the value count function. And I also create a word cloud using the word cloud library. I also show the most overused word. To do the thing, split using the separate word, and from the collection input counter it will show the frequency of the word. I also show the busiest day with the help of the day name function and find the name of the using value count function. I also show the heat map. Heat map means when the user is most active in the week. To do this, I divide it into hour into 1 hour format and store them into the new column. This is the plan. This is the plan of the heat map. Using Seaborn, we create the heat map. If there is no message, then the field it is the 0. In the overall the package, first we deploy the project in Heroku, but Heroku server is problem, and the earlier it was free, but now it is not free. So deploy this whole the project in online. First upload the project in the GitHub and the same GitHub account with the Streamlit Cloud. After uploading the project in the Sleep Cloud, the customer URL deploy the online things. It also help in the first of all what the need the first in the show in the demo part. What we do, what we don't know, what to discuss about the code first and see the demo part. In the demo part, when we open the app, this is the link SP Chat Detective 07 is Streamlit. This is the link. When we open the list, this is the user interface and click on the browse file, and where the chat is available, like this is my official group or official university college group in this chat. I also export this chat without media and save this file in this folder. I just upload it. When we upload it and click on this is also overall. First we show the overall interface, what we do now. Click on the show analysis button. After the show analysis will take few time. So for the background the analysis part is done. You can see that there is most interesting stat. You can see that the most statistic, there is a name also funny name. So the whole overall app is more interesting. You can see that there is a total message in the total word media share and the lead share. You can also see the on the graph in the it is the monthly term. Monthly when the user we all very active or not. In the case that December 2021 we use most active, and you can see the May or April which is less active. You can also see that there is also daily diary. Daily diary means in the every single day how much we active or not in the WhatsApp. In the activity map we also see that when we talk to like Friday we talk too much, and the Saturday we talk less. We consider the busiest month. Which month is talk overall busy? We can see that January month is the busiest month, and the week also weekly activity map. In this previous discuss we will told you we will divide it the every hour is the 1 hour format, like 0 to 1 1 hour, 1 to 2 10 to 11 11 to 12 12 to 30. We divide that the 24 hours into the 1 hour format and we plot the and heat map. We can show that there is a 4 to 5 there is a no communication by huge communication. You can see that heat map. Also either the most busiest person who talk to you can see that there is a on they say 40 to 39% talk to, like Devojyoti, like Niladi, they are the most active person in this group. We can also see that word cloud. In the word cloud there is a very interesting with the Bengali people, so we discuss our conversation in like SMS language, like we talk about ami, কোথায় যাব, etc. like this. This is the in the prepare the word cloud. There is a very interesting and difficult thing I face. For in this first I created dictionary or the overall text part where I created first a database where database the where stored I like this word like আমি, কোথায় যাব, etc. I collect this data from everywhere, chat to date, and collect the database. In the collect the database we create them into the collect the database and collect the data, and after the collect the data just deploy in the project and simultaneously match and create the cloud from. We can also the word vomit, there is a very interesting name, so there's the user use node boring, so I the name of the this is word vomit, like word cloud, like the bgb, and the funny name I also the so that user is not boring. You can show that the most overused word is ami, then the class. We can also say that the word cloud ami is the what is the size of the so much big. We can also show that the emoji roller coaster, the which emoji is the first. So in the smiley emoji 1960 times is sent to. It is the overall. You can also see the every individual person, like click on the, like my name is SP, like click on the SP and the click on the solution. It is the so the individual person analysis, how a individual person is active, how much he message or not. You also show this the graph. You can show that in the total message in the overall 506 and the total word 247. You can also monthly timeline. You also it is the only individual person, not overall. Individual person when in active. I also Wednesday most active in the March month. I also most active when I message in this time. It is very much. It is also so the I like I is the I is the most users core class. You can see that in the Google Cloud. Google Cloud, the core is the base issue. It is very much helpful, and the communication improvement, time management, personal growth, group dynamic, team management. The web app can help the manager and the team leader to understand the messages behavior of their team member. By identifying the busiest period and the most active user, they can ensure that the team is working the efficiently and effectively. And you can also, this app is also very much useful in the customer service, like many business use the WhatsApp as the channel for the customer service. The web app help the business analyze the conversation with the customer and identify area where to can improve their service. App is also in the marketing. Marketing means WhatsApp can be powerful tool in the marketing and the customer engagement. The web app can help the business analyze their messaging behavior and identify which type of message are the most effective engaging to the customer. It is also helpful in the competitive analysis. Competitive analysis means the web app can also use to analyze the messaging behavior competitive in the WhatsApp group by gaining the insight into the how competitors are the communicate with the customer and the team member. Business can the identify areas where can be improved their own communication strategy. This is also this is and in the previous part this is also the version 1.2, and this is the author. You can enter last part. In the last part you can also the change of the color of the change, like click on the three dot option, click on the setting option and the click choose app theme. You can also the choose the light theme. This is overall the light theme, and you can also the dark theme, and the overall is dark theme. And it is the version 1.2. In the previous version 1.1 there is some problem. In the previous version I build the app only 24 hours format. Like you can say this is this is yes this is the first. We can see that this is first app I build this app. This is perfectly done. This is also same chat. We can see that there is a pattern available. This is 24-hour format and this is the 12-hour format. First I developed this app only the 24-hour format, but when we upload the 12-hour format like this chat, in the this chat, this is also error throw. So I fix the bug, and this is now both format work perfectly. You can see that there is a time difference. There is a this is the 12-hour format 9/11, and in the same chat there is a 24-hour format. So this is the version 1.2, and you can contact with my mail, dear Sogoto. You can just click it and that's the mail it about this project. How was the project? You can also visit my the GitHub profile. Like this is my GitHub profile. You can also see this what we done, what we not, how to export the chat, and what we know. If we like this project, please comment, share and the subscribe. Thank you so much.